In today's guide, you will learn how to use Microsoft Copilot on mobile. And here we are going to use iPhone. So I will walk you step by step on Microsoft Copilot mobile tutorial. All right? I am on my iPhone, so be on your iPhones. The first step is to install the Copilot app. All right? So get to the App Store and tap on it. Then tap on the search area and then search for Microsoft Copilot. All right. After typing the name, tap on search. Then you can see here the app is already installed on my iPhone. So here I have installed it already. So but in your own section, if you don't have it, just tap on the install icon and wait for the installation to be completed. Which after that you open the application. All right, sign in with your Apple details, the iPhone details, or you can sign in with your Microsoft account details. Okay, it's as simple as that. So and you start making use of the application. Alright, so here I have opened the app from my own end. So you open yours from your own end. You can see samples of images generated using this tool. Okay, so where is a sunny warm place I can travel to right now? Alright, so these are questions generated by the developers, okay, with the result shown to you. So here we are going to create our own image. All right. Though this cannot just create image for you, it can answer questions as well. But let's start with image creation. All right. Which after that we give it prompts and it will answer us. Okay, for you to ask this AI tool to generate an image for you, you have to tap in the section with the text, ask me anything. Okay, so tap there and then start typing what you want it to create for you. All right. Here we have create an image of friendly happy birds gathered around a campfire. All right. So once you're done giving it a prompt, which you can call question or commands that you want the AI to execute, all right, tap on send or this arrow that points towards the right. Okay. And here this AI tool has generated the images we need. All right. So if you tap on any of them, it will open in a bigger way for you to see it fully. All right, you can see this one. If we swipe this way, you see the next one. They are all beautiful pictures, man. See these birds around this campfire. If you go this way, you see this way. If you go this way, you see a lot of them. So any one of them that you feel like you want to use for any project, you need to download them into your phone. All right, download it into your phone. You can share this image, and for you to share the image, you tap on share. Then this gives you this link. You just tap on copy and copy the link and share it on any platform. You can share this text message or on Facebook or on WhatsApp or on Twitter. All right. Once somebody clicks on the link, he will get to where the image is. All right. But here, I don't want to share this. Okay. So let's see how we download this into our phone. For you to download it into your phone, you can long press on the image. All right, so this gives you some options. You have share, you have save to photos, and you have copy. So here, let's save it into our photos. So tap on save to photos. All right, this is now saved into your photos. So if you need more of it, you can still, I like this one. I'll long press on it and select save to photos. So let's get our photos app to know if this is there. All right, so I'll tap this. And then I'll tap. You can see the two of them here, this one and this one. So they are all there. All right. So let's get back to the Copilot and see some other things we can do. Okay, so here I want to ask this Copilot question. That is, you give it a prompt, you give it a command on what you want to generate. So I want to ask him question based on my YouTube channel. So let me just ask you, who is Godwin Tech on YouTube? Okay. Once you finish giving your prompts, just tap on the send button for it to generate answers for you. Wow. And here it comes up with the answer. It's a Godwin Tech is a YouTube channel focused on tech and software tutorials. The channel covers a wide range of topics including how to use mobile and desktop applications, iPhone tips, writing and publishing on platforms like Amazon KDP and Apple Books, and tutorials on artificial intelligence. And this thing I'm doing currently is tutorial on artificial intelligence. So the AI is correct. So you can ask it any question and it gives you answer in return. So let's see some other things you can do with this application. You can access the menu item of this application, of this AI tool. All right. And for you to do that, tap on the three lines at the top left. Okay, this will expose you to some options. All right, then when I tap on that, you can see some options here. You can see smart under seeing the username of the owner of this iPhone. You can see the email address, though it's hidden for security reason. And you can see supercharge your AI experience with Copilot Pro. Okay, so if you want something more with this AI tool, you can go for Pro. Okay, so they give you the option to start with free trial. So you can tap on start your free trial for you to have a free trial for 1 month, which after that you subscribe fully with your money. All right, so you get something more from the pro version. Then under that you can see history, some things I searched recently. So anytime you search something on the platform, it is saved in the history. All right, so in this AI tool, so if we get to this history area, you can tap on see chat history to see more. Okay, so maybe from there you pick what you want to pick. So let's get back to home. Okay, with this AI tool, you can still compose songs of your choice. All right, but before you can do that, you need to enable a plugin. Plugin are piece of software that are made available in some applications. Okay, so for you to access the plugin that will allow you to create songs with this application, tap on the three dots at the top right. Then you see plugins, you see notebook, you see feedback. All right, our interest here is to access plugins, so tap on the plugins option. This exposes you to some plugins that work alongside with this application. You can see search is on by default, which is the search bar that allows us to search anything we want to search for. We have Instacart, ask about recipes. All right, meal plans. So if you want to ask about recipes, meal plans, you can turn this on to make it more effective in the search. You have Kayat, we have Klarna, we have Open Table, which provides restaurants recommendations with direct link to book. All right, beautiful. We have Shop, search for millions of products from world's greatest brands. But our interest here is in making of songs. So what we need to turn on here is Suno. So tap on the button for it to be toggled on, just as I have done. And once you have done that, tap on the X sign at the top left, okay, to close this interface. Then ask this tool to generate a song for you. So let me ask him to generate a song for me. Here I have created my prompt based on the song. It states, generate a song about Godwin Tech YouTube channel, highlighting that the channel offers high quality tutorials on how to use mobile devices, computers, software tutorials, self-publishing, and AI tutorials in easy steps. And I went further and said, convince the listeners to subscribe to the channel to become more productive. As usual, once you're done, tap on the send button. It's now generating the song. And here is what the tool has generated for me. I can tap on the listen for me to hear the song fully.
Got the answers you seek. With a click, take a peek. Mobile tricks, software treats, guided steps, simple beats.
All right, that's a beautiful song generated by this tool. Okay, so that's how you can use this AI tool to generate song. First, you need to turn on the Suno plugin, all right, before you instruct it to generate a particular song for you. All right, let's get to the last stage, which is on how you can use this AI tool to analyze image. And for you to do that, in this session with the text, ask me anything. Tap on the camera icon, all right? Then tap on the photos icon at the bottom left. Then get to any image of your choice that you have in your phone and then add it and ask this AI to analyze it for you. Then after selecting the image, tap on the tick button, all right? As the image is added, tap on the area with the text, ask me anything, and then ask it something. So for me, I want it to analyze the image. After that, tap on the same button. Okay, after I asked this AI to analyze this in one sentence, look at the feedback it gave to me. It says, the receipt shows a successful transfer of 4,000 Nigerian naira from Uzachuku to Kinechuku Victoria via First Bank on September 4, 2024, which is absolutely correct. All right, so this is what this AI tool can do for you in extra. Okay, so you can upload picture and ask it to analyze it for you. It will give you feedback within seconds. All right, in this ask me anything bros, there's another icon there, which is the speaker icon. What this does is this: in case you don't have strength to type, you can tap on that and then start speaking. All right, so once you speak, it will generate, it will record what you speak, which after you send that for it to generate an answer based on what you have spoken. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. Here we discuss technology, which cuts across so many areas, including how to use some software, how to use computer, how to use phones, iPhone and Android, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So if you are interested in any of these content types, consider subscribing, okay? And you will learn and become more productive. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. If you don't do that, there's no how the system knows that this is a helpful content. So please hit the like button, the one that points up. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Do you need extra question? Or if it solves the problem I brought you here, you can say thank you or something nice. All right? To learn how to use Microsoft Copilot on your computer or laptop, consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.